What if a single flower could fill your farm with fragrance and your pocket with profit? Today, we're exploring a fragrant gem of the countryside, elderflower farming. Elderflower comes from the elder tree, known for its tiny, creamy white blossoms and sweet, floral aroma. These flowers may look delicate, but their market value is anything but small. Traditionally grown in Europe and parts of Asia, elderflowers are widely used in cordials, teas, desserts, and natural skincare. With the global shift toward herbal and gourmet products, elderflower is fast becoming a high-value niche crop. Now let's talk farming. Elderflower thrives in well-drained, loamy soil with good sunlight. Planting is usually done in late winter or early spring. Once established, the trees are low maintenance and begin flowering in the second or third year. Harvesting is where the magic happens. Flowers should be picked early in the morning, just before full bloom, when fragrance, quality, and market value are at their peak. It's rich in antioxidants, supports immunity, and is commonly used for cold relief, sinus care, and relaxation. Farmers are now supplying elderflowers to herbal brands, cafes, bakeries, and organic drink makers. And the best part? Elderflower farming is eco-friendly and supports pollinators like bees. Elderflower farming is more than a business. It's a beautiful balance of nature, sustainability, and profit. If you're looking for a low-investment crop with premium market demand, elderflower might just be your golden opportunity. Subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more smart farming ideas and real opportunities.